Hello, in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to install Proteus 8 on a Linux system. As you know, installing Proteus 8 on a Linux system directly results in a bunch of scattered files that won't run properly. But here is the correct method to do it. First, you should use Playonlinux. If you don't already have Playonlinux, just create a new terminal and type apt or rather sudo apt install play on Linux, and that should install it. Then after installing it, you should have your Proteus 8 installation file ready, which is the exe file. As you can see, that is it. Then you click here, install a program, then install a non-listed program. Then the setup wizard shows, click next and skip all this. Next, we are going to be creating a virtual drive in which we are going to install the Proteus 8. Then you select install in a new virtual drive. Then we name our virtual drive Proteus 8. Then you can choose to, if you want to make or do all these things, you want to configure wine or whatever you want to do. But in this case, we are going to skip all this. Then you choose which type of installation it is, 32-bit. Then you wait while the virtual drive is being created. Okay, here it says select the install file to run. Now the install file is going to be the exe file that I showed earlier, which is this. Then we'll click open. Next. Okay, to prompt us to install Microsoft Visual C++ which is distributable, and you can install it if you don't have it. In my case, I already have it, so I'm just going to cancel this. Then we click next, and allow the program to do its work. Okay, there, it's done. And it's going to prompt us to choose certain shortcuts to launch the Proteus 8 program, and I think that's the final step. Yeah. Now these are the list of executables that can be made into a shortcut, but the one we are looking for is named Proteus 8.lnk. Okay, that's it. Okay, and here we don't want to make any other more shortcuts, so you should just click on the I don't want any more shortcuts. Then next, there, the installation is done, and you just click the Proteus we installed, and voila, this is it. From here you can do whatever you want to do, create a new project and all the other stuff you can do with Proteus, which is a great software, by the way. And that marks the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching.